Hi everybody, I'm chasing deals again today. It stormed so bad yesterday, so we got to do a little cleaning up. We had a bad storm yesterday, but anyway, today I'm chasing deals. I'm getting ready to go to Walgreens. Damn, they tree fell in their backyard. Damn, wow. I'm ready to go to Walgreens and do a Shea Moisture deal. Starting today, they're buy one get one 50% off, and there's a $3 coupon inside of the Walgreens book, so I'm gonna use that. Hopefully I can find the ones that's like $5, hopefully. So we're going to see how this turns out. They don't have the tags up on this stuff, but we're gonna see. Okay, had to get one more thing. Yeah, the deal worked. What I did was I got 2 of these and 2 of these. Then on some of the products, they had the $2 coupon on some of them. Of course, I took them off. Oh well, if y'all don't do that, that's on y'all. Coupon the way you want a coupon, and I'm gonna do mine. So I got this coupon off some products. Then if you go into the store, they have these books inside the store. On page 25, there's a $3 coupon that you can use with these products, which is that one. That's the $3 coupon. And when you do all of those, I think I paid like $2.12 for 4 items, which was 2 and 2. That wasn't a bad deal at all. I wonder if I got points. No points, just everyday points. That's all I got with that. So that worked. If you can't find that extra $2 coupon, then I don't even know how much it will be, because I think these are $4. And now that I think about it, it only took $3 only one time. I'm looking at my receipt. Now, these Shea Moisture products is buy one, get one 50% off. Now, this tube costs $4 basically. So a second one supposed to be $2. But the way that it rung up, it took the $3 off the first one, which made it 99 cents. And then for the second one that was $2, it took the $2 off. I don't know why I did that. So it was almost like buy one get one free instead of BOGO. Wow. Yeah, I'm gonna show y'all my receipt if y'all don't understand what I'm saying. That's what the receipt looked like. We back again real quick. We're gonna do I might need to upload these videos like every day if I'm gonna go on like a deal chase because that's what I'm gonna do now. I'm ready to go on another deal chase at CVS. CVS has a lot of stuff on clearance. As you see, I have Damon with me. CVS has a lot of stuff on clearance. And I think I'm just gonna run over there real quick to see if my store actually have some of the stuff that's on clearance, which I already know they probably won't have it. They probably had it, but I have a lot of couponers in my area, so chances are that the stuff that I'm looking for is gone. But I'm gonna go anyway just to see. Then after that, we're gonna go and buy Damon a birthday present, even though Saturday was his birthday, but we didn't go. So we're going today. I'm gonna let him pick out a toy or pick out whatever it is that he want within a reasonable price. You know, you got to make sure you say that. Or see that big tree right there fell, Damon?
Yeah.
You missed it.
Well,
you want me to?
I saw the stop button.
You want me to turn around so you can see it?
No thanks.
This kid.
I could see it once we go back home.
We're not gonna go back this way, but don't worry about it. Never mind. So yeah, we're gonna go to Target, and I'm gonna let him pick out a gift. Like I said, within a reasonable price, because Mama ain't rich at all. But we're gonna do that. So Damon,
Yeah.
how does it feel to be 8?
Good.
Really? You feel like you could run faster?
Yeah.
You feel like you got a little taller?
Yeah.
Oh,
Just an inch.
just an inch taller?
It feels like I'm the same size.
Oh, you feel like you got smarter?
Well, yeah.
Yeah, I know. I know. You are
Because
smart.
I just think that each time I grow, my brain grows.
Yes, correct. Ding, ding, ding. Okay, yeah, we'll get back with y'all when I get to CVS. We just made it to CVS, me and Damon. We're gonna go in here and see what we can find. Hopefully we can find something, but I don't think we will. All right, let's go. Plus, we have to look for the clearance because I haven't been to CVS and I don't know how long. It's been a long time. Hi. It's been a long, long time. So we're gonna see. All right, let's see. La, la, la. I haven't been to CVS in so long. It's been months, and I most definitely didn't even glue my wig down, y'all. Let's see, which aisle? You didn't pull your shoes tight, Damon?
Yeah.
And then I don't even know how much battery life I have because I did not charge this camera at all. But we're gonna see. I don't even know what stuff is in this CVS. Let's see. Okay. Yep. Nope, no luck here. Wait a minute.
There's some off.
Some off. Oh yeah, we most definitely need that.
So are we gonna buy it?
No, cause we have some at home, but let me see. This isn't it. Okay, once again, mission fail. Unless the stuff is somewhere else. I mean, they have this stuff, but that's not what we're looking for. Excuse me. Okay, let's keep looking because maybe it's in a different area. This, like I said, I haven't been to CVS in like years because I really don't coupon like I used to. But when I seen these little deals come through, I said why not go and check and see exactly what I could find. I am not holding this camera right. I really need some of this gotta be spray. No luck. Let me go to the front and ask her. Ask the young lady.